Air fryer? Bacon? Can we do it? Let's try, shall we? To make bacon, we're going to set our air fryer for 360 degrees. And we're going to set it for 13 minutes because this is some thick cut bacon. Normally you set it for 12 to 14 for thick cut, 7 to 9 minutes for regular cut. We are looking at putting in 4, so we'll do 4. I've never made bacon in the air fryer. Alright, it looks like I'll have to go this way instead. I mean, you would think it wouldn't matter, but apparently it matters. Try not to get it to all overlap. This is why they call it science. Right, that looks good. Halfway through is where you turn your bacon over. Then we'll place it back in for 6.5 minutes to go. After 13 minutes, this is how our bacon came out. Now we're going to take this and put it on a paper plate with a napkin on it so that the grease can drain. If you have tried it, air fryer bacon, let me know what you thought about it. Hope you have a great time and enjoy your bacon.